Hello people of YouTube, how are you today? I'm extremely awake. I took a nap. Well, I ate and then I took a nap after work and now I am up. I came home to a little surprise. Jeffree Star Supreme Frost. I got it in the color Snow Globe. Thing was delayed for the longest time. I ordered it on the 5th and I didn't get it until today, which is weird for Jeffree Star, but it's okay. I got it. I'm gonna do a review on it to see if it's worth the hype. I love Jeffree Star products. I'm using the color Celebrity Skin on my lips right now. I love it. This is my favorite shade. I also have Androgyny and then Unicorn Blood, also Christmas Cookie. I love all those shades. The formula is very, very good. It does not dry out my lips. I have really dry lips. I always have to moisturize my lips, especially right now in the fall and the winter. But the formula is very good. I love it. It does not dry out my lips. So yeah, let's see if the Supreme Frost is worth the hype. Here's the packaging. It is baby pink with a bright pink glow to it, and then the shade is right here. I opened it up, but I did not try it on because I wanted to do the first impressions with you guys. So you open it up, the shade name is on the back, and then here's like the little window, and then you open it up. It's magnetized, but whenever you open it up, it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it has the Jeffree Star logo right there. And let's get to swatching. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. It's freaking amazing. This is so gorgeous. I love Jeffree Star highlighters. I love his liquid lips, his highlighters, his eyeshadow palettes, everything. I have not tried the lip liners yet. So on the package it says apply with a brush for medium intensity or directly tap on your fingertips for extreme glow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a highlighting brush for this side of my face and then use my finger for this side of the face to see the difference. So I'm going to take the AOA Studio F24 and I'm just going to go in, tap off the excess. Okay, and then this side, just gonna go in and tap it on. Oh my gosh, it literally looks like glitter on your face, but it's so gorgeous. Holy crap. Now I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow. What girl does not like though, honest? Okay, I can definitely tell the difference between this side and this side because you can definitely tell like it's right here and then right here. And you can kind of see it. Guys, that is my review and first impressions on the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost. I hope this helps in your selection on if you want to buy it or not. I definitely recommend it. I personally love Jeffree Star product. This was definitely worth the hype. You can definitely see that glow and he is known for his glow. So yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.